Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. May we have, as soon as possible, the cases of swan soap, which you are making up specially for us. We wish to have this soap as soon as you can get it to us, as we are having a sale on the 1st of the month. This is an item which we wish to emphasize, as we know it will sell readily. The swan is supposed to sing a sweet song when it is dying. This is said to be the sweetest song it sings. And this is the story which has given us the famous swan song. New York is the largest city in the United States of America. If you go to the top of any of the high towers of this city, you will have a view which takes in all the city as well as the suburbs for many more miles beyond. The monster ships which come to this city dot the bay. They unload huge cargoes on the docks and take away with them similar loads when they leave. In this city, the business life of the United States reaches its high peak. As we are going to the docks, we can look at the new vessels. This is the swiftest as well as the largest of the steamers. We may switch some of our business to the new firm, as they will give us value as well as service. As we have seen in the past, a heavy pole usually sweeps many new officers into the different state offices.